Is it going to be fuzzy if you're driving?
Shouldn't.
It might come out fuzzy if I move.
You moving?
Huh?
If you're moving?
Yeah. But is yours updated, maybe? Too hot.
Blizzard of 09.
That's what you get when you date a woman whose name means storm. Getting me too? Did you hear that?
Storm?
Storm. Audra means storm. Don't you wish you would have run a long time ago now?
It's not too bad. Seems like it's getting less snow down this way.
Look at those cars. Oh my gosh. Are you still videoed? Wow. Cool. You can either go through town or you can go left here, whatever you want. Go through town?
Sure. The big town.
Oh, you should have seen the horses yesterday with their blankets on.
No, really?
They were all dressed up. Yep.
There's not much snow down this way compared to. Doesn't seem like it.
I know what you mean.